Am I overpaying for insurance? No one likes to overpay for anything, and your insurance payments are no exception. Having the right amount of insurance for your particular needs can protect you against spending more out of pocket for a claim if something should happen. When comparing insurance premiums, it's important to remember each individual will have unique needs that influence the type of insurance policy they have, and the premium that comes with it. Your collective assets, risk threshold, and the value of the item, property or vehicle are all contributing factors, as are safety measures like security alarms and even credit ratings. For example, if you own a home, property, and have a family to protect, you may need a higher level of personal injury protection on your auto policy than just the minimum requirements. Without the proper PIP coverage, you may be putting yourself at risk of losing more if sued. Talking with a local trusted choice independent insurance agent is the best way to evaluate what you have and what insurance policy you need. They will work with you to find the coverage necessary to properly insure the things that matter to you most. They're also ready to answer questions like, am I paying for coverage I don't need? Will changes in my relationship or job status affect my rate? Am I taking advantage of discounts that might be available? Trusted Choice independent insurance agents shop from many providers to make sure you have the right policy and the right price. Talk to one today. Be independent. Go independent.